Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Wednesday 5th of December. Let's have a look at cable, which continues to fall away. Yesterday actually breached very briefly 26.57, breached that key reaction low at 26.60 from the August low. Formed a fairly neutral candle and then actually has rallied today. I mean, the volatility around sterling is just continues really. That anything positive that sterling tends to get out of Brexit seems to be sold off after sort of a couple of hours really, and I've sort of discussed that yesterday. We're seeing a bit of a rebound today. Again, I don't really think that that's going to be lasting. I mean, the services sector PMIs were really disappointing for the UK. Sterling hasn't barely reacted. In fact, it's actually higher from in the wake of that the service sector PMI data. But I just do not see how sterling is going to hold any sort of reaction higher with the Brexit uncertainties just continuing, and just remains terribly sort of hamstrung by that. Momentum indicators are actually fairly benign, you would argue, on the RSI, certainly still above 40, even though the market continues to drift away, and you potentially even argue that that is maybe even a signal to suggest that the selling pressure isn't all that great. Maybe there is going to be a rally, but any time sterling does get a rally, it just gets sold off almost instantly. So I wouldn't be trusting any sort of recovery that you do get on sterling, certainly not on the politics of Brexit at the moment, which are so febrile and seemingly never-ending uncertainty. And I think a further sort of pressure on 26.60 is likely. Now, if you sort of open it out to below that, you get 25.85 as a reaction low. That's next support beyond 26.60, and then 23.50. So there are sort of there is downside potential beyond this 26.60 mark, and I think it's if it does break on a closing basis, that could be seen. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.